हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विथ डी ब्रॉगली वेवलेंथ लेमडा राइट fall on in X-ray tube. The cutoff wavelength of the X-ray is right. So let us see what is given in the question. First the de Broglie wavelength दिया हुआ है, तो राइट तो यहां से बोल सकते हैं H upon P is equal to lambda, right? This is given in the question, right? This is the de Broglie wavelength of the electron. Okay. Now it is saying to find the cutoff wavelength, right? So cutoff wavelength का formula, right? Let us take this is lambda naught, and that is nothing but equal to Hc upon EV. So this I need to find, right? Lambda naught I need to find here. So this is equal to what? Lambda naught. So this I need to find. Okay. Now Sc is okay. EV, as you all know, EV will be nothing but right. Right. That will be equal to kinetic energy, right? Because V is the potential difference and E is the charge. So this will become change in potential energy, and change in potential energy will be right will be equal to gain in kinetic energy. So gain in kinetic energy will become final kinetic energy, because I am assuming initially the electron is at rest. So EV is equal to kinetic energy of the hitting electron on the target of the X-ray tube. So this is the equation 2 I make. Okay. Now I know, right, from here I can say lambda is equal to H upon P, or you can say like H upon P is nothing but 2mk root. Okay. Now I can say H upon 2m. M is the mass of electron, so I can say m only. M is the mass of electron. Let us say the kinetic energy is how much? C, EV. So this becomes EV. Okay, let us see. Right, so this becomes root of this. So from here I am getting lambda is equal to this. So I can take. So I am getting here. Right, lambda is equal to H upon 2m EV root, where m is the mass of electron. So I can take this one this side. So this becomes EV root is equal to H upon 2m root lambda. Right. So from here I can say EV is equal to, right, if I do the squaring both sides, so EV will become H square upon 2m lambda square. So let us call this is equation 3. All I need to find the value of lambda naught. So let us put the value of EV in this one. So if I so lambda naught will be equal to Hc upon EV. So what is the value of EV is coming? You can see from here. So this becomes H square upon 2m lambda square. So see, right, H, this will get cancelled out, and you are getting the value of 2m lambda square C upon H. So this is the answer you are getting, right? So see which option is coming. Lambda naught 2mc lambda square upon H. So I hope the answer is A. You can see easily 2mc lambda square upon H. Okay, so this is the answer, option A. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.